What's up, loves? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Rashana, and today I'm back with another hair review. This hair is from UNice Hair. This is their 360 lace frontal wig. It's 180 density, and guys, I am loving this look. If you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So this is what it's first going to look like when you receive the hair. That's going to be the box. The box just says UNice Hair. And then this is the beautiful wig. This wig is so incredibly pretty, you guys. I am seriously in love with it. And I believe this is either their 22 or 24 inches. No, it's definitely their 24 inches. This hair is so entirely long. I loved it. It also comes with pre-made baby hair, as you guys can see. And then inside of the wig, there are 3 combs all along the wig. And this is a 360 wig, you guys, so you can put this up in a bun. You can do whatever you want with it, basically. It is popping. So before I filmed this video, I did try on the wig, and this is what it looked like with the curls. It was just super cute. But now I decided I want to see how well this hair takes heat. So I decided to straighten this hair for the sake of this video, basically, and we're going to see how it looks, and then I'm going to curl it back again. We're just testing to see how well this hair is, and guys, I'm just telling you, I absolutely love this wig. It's so thick, it's so long. So I'm just going to start off with sectioning pieces of the hair and then taking a clip just to clip the rest of the hair that is in my way to make sure that it stays out my way. So for my heat protecting, I'm going to be using this flat ironing spray. This spray is pretty good and it smells great, so I love to use it. So basically I'm just going to be spraying this all over the hair, basically in places that I think will need the most heat protecting. And then I'm going to start flat ironing this hair. So I'm going to be using this Infinity flat iron. I got this from Target for like 30 bucks. It does the job, definitely on natural hair as well, so I do recommend this. It's not sponsored, but I definitely recommend this flat iron. It does the job and it's really good. It heats all the way up to, I believe, 450. So let's talk a little more about this hair. This hair is from UNice Hair. Everything you guys need to know about this hair will be in the description box down below. It is a 360 lace frontal wig, meaning that the whole entire thing is lace. You can put it up in a ponytail, a bun. It's just really fun to have 360 lace wigs. And it's also for a very affordable price. Once again, everything will be in the description box down below that you need to know about them. Not to mention UNice Hair. Everyone knows about UNice Hair. They have amazing wigs and they have a very wide variety. And this particular wig was so super thick. It's 180 density. And you guys, it literally shows. When I started to flat iron this hair, I was so surprised on how long their 24 inches was. Like, it was literally touching my butt. Like, this hair looks so bomb, straight and curly. So I absolutely recommend this wig. So because this hair was so entirely thick, it took some time to flat iron the whole entire thing. So I would definitely say take your time with it. It took maybe about 40 or 35 minutes, around that time, to flat iron the whole entire thing. And I wasn't doing like super small pieces in the front. I was mostly doing small pieces just because the front is the most important part. That's the part that everyone's going to see first. So I always take my time in the front of the wig. That's just a little tip that I do. So this is what the wig looks like when I'm completely finished with it. As you guys can see, it looks like a completely different wig. It's got super straight, and it looked even straighter when I put it on. Guys, the hair is also extra long because I was not used to it being so long, because it was like a wavy body wave before, and now it's just like longer because it doesn't have that curl to it. Guys, when I installed this, it was literally touching my butt. Like, the whole hair was hella thick. Like, this wig was really, really good. I definitely recommend this wig, you guys. So as you guys can see, this is how the wig looks when I installed it. Like I said, super duper thick, super duper long. It definitely gives you a full look. So I'm going to start off with combing all the hair just to make sure that it's easier to work with, and just detangling any knots that I may have created. For my heat protecting, I'm just going to be using the argan oil, and guys, I definitely recommend this for natural hair and as well for weave. It's really good, and it really smells good. I love products that smell good because then your hair smells good and then you smell good. So I'm just going to be applying this mostly on the top and mostly like throughout the middle of the hair, even though I should have put some on the ends. I just feel like the middle is mostly where I put all the heat. So now I'm just going to go in with my curling one, and I'm going to curl the hair away from my face just to create a more dramatic look. So basically my goal for this video was to just show you guys how well this hair can take heat and how much heat it can take. It came with flawless curls, so you definitely don't need to go through this step. But when you've wore the hair for a while and you feel like, it looks a little old, so you want to wash it and start over, I'm basically showing you guys that you can recreate the look simply by either straightening it and then curling it again, or you can just wear it straight and create like a whole different style. So this wig, it gives you many different varieties, not to mention, once again, it is a 360 wig. So there's so many different styles that this wig can give, and that's one of my favorite things about this wig. So as you guys can see, I'm basically just curling my hair. It's pretty self-explanatory. So I'm just going to keep doing this, and I'm going to fast forward until I'm done. So I will see you guys at the end of the video. So when I finish curling everything, I usually like to curl the front again, just because I feel like those dropped first because it took so long to finish the entire head. So that's currently what I'm doing, and that's basically the last piece that I'm going to be doing. So now we're going to go ahead and style this wig. So to help give my hair some shine, I'm just going to be using my olive oil glossing hair polisher. It's literally just for shine. Like, it literally smells so good. I only use products that smell good. I said it a million times throughout this video. So I'm basically going to be taking that product, and it's really oily. So if you don't like too much of an oily look, you don't need a lot. You just need a little bit, and it goes, like they say, a little goes a long way. So now basically I'm just going to be taking my Got To Be hairspray, and this stuff is really strong and even smells really strong, so you don't need a lot of this either. It's just, optional. You can skip this step if you just want to go like that. And now last but not least, I'm always going to curl comb out my curls. I love to comb out my curls. It just gives a more fuller look, and the waves are just like a more natural type of curl, and I absolutely love it. It just gives you a more dramatic full look. And basically, guys, that is it for this video. So this is the final look, you guys. Once again, everything you need to know about this hair will be in the description box down below, along with the link to the website. This hair is from UNice Hair. It's their 360 lace wig, and guys, it is bomb. As you guys can see, you can wear it straight, you can wear it curly. It's just absolutely beautiful. I love how this look came out. I'm going to take some pictures on my Instagram. Definitely go check those out. And yes, guys, I love if you watch till the end, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!